we are going to talk about le verbe être. Believe it or not, le verbe être play a major role in French. The verb être is used in different tenses as well. So, without any further ado, shall we start? I want to make something clear though. We are talking about le verbe être in present tense. Le présent de l'indicatif du verbe être. So, how to use le verbe être in present tense? Bien. Avant de commencer, before we start, I want you to know that être means to be. So, être, as you can see on your screen there, means to be. So the aim here is to learn how to say I am, you are, he is or she is, we are, you are, and they are. For example, in English, you want to say they are coming. I am coming to see you, right? How will you say I am coming or they are coming? That's what we are going to try to learn today in French. Are you ready? Buckle up. Let's get started. Bien. So, to say I am, you will say in French, je suis. So, repeat after me, je suis. Now, to say you are in French, on va dire tu es. Tu es. So, est. To say he is in the kitchen, right? She is in the room. So, il est. Il est. He is. Now, she is will be elle est. So the sound is similar to you are, which is a tu es. But this time, it is a est, est, not es. So, il est, elle est. Bien. To say we are. So for example, we are watching a movie, right? We are. So on va dire, nous sommes. Répète avec moi, repeat with me. Nous sommes. Très bien, bravo. Very good. Nous sommes means we are. Now to say you are, don't be confused because in English you have two you. The first one, you, is the singular you, and the one we are saying you now here is the plural, a group of people, you guys, you all. Vous êtes. To say you are, vous êtes. Bien. Now, how will you say they are? So, they are will be ils sont. Ils sont. Now, we have two types of they are. The first one, which is ils sont, can be used for a group of boys, as a male group. It can be used exclusively for male group, only male group, or a mixed group. In a sense, male and female together. So we will say they are, ils sont. So if you have two boys, three girls, they are coming or they are going for a movie, or they are going for a movie, or they are in somewhere doing something, then you will say ils sont. Ça va? Ils sont. Bien. Now to say they are, for example, only a female group. Only a female group, like a group of girls or a group of women. So elles sont. Elles sont here. They are. This one is exclusively for female group, no mixed group. So, one more time, quick recap. How will you do that? So it is je suis, which is I am. Tu es, which is you are, one person. Il est, it means he is. Elle est, she is. Nous sommes, which is we are. And vous êtes, they are. Sorry, vous êtes, you are, you all are. Désolé. And then ils sont, they are. Elles sont, again, they are. C'est tout. Now, I know maybe you are in school and you are learning French. You want to know how to use it in class test. Quite simple. Okay, let me give you a few examples. Let's say in class, your teacher asks you to fill in the blanks with the conjugation of the verb être, right? So he or she will give you il dash in bracket être. Then present tense, right? They tell you to conjugate in present tense. So il dash être au travail. Ça va au travail. So he dash bracket être au travail at work. So how will you conjugate that? So you look at here, you have to remove the brackets and fill in the blanks. So you're going to say il est au travail. Which you write il, which is il, then what? est, then on the remaining of the sentence au travail. Then you underline your answer. Let's say they give you one more, like mon père et moi dash être au salon. So my father and I dash in bracket être, then the remaining sentence au salon. So my father and I dash to be in the living room. So I want you to pay attention on mon père et moi. What is the meaning of mon père et moi? It means my father and I, or my father and me. So which one will I use here? Will I use je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il au pluriel, elle au pluriel, which one? Remember, it is my father and I. So it is him and I, so we. Both of us, we. So in this case here, être should be conjugated with what? The nous conjugation. Of course, you are not going to write nous, you have to write the subject here, mon père et moi, but the conjugation of être here should be the nous conjugation, which will be, so, mon père et moi sommes au salon. Mon père et moi sommes au salon. So, mon père et moi, nous sommes au salon. Mon père et moi sommes au salon. Bien, c'est tout. Merci beaucoup. N'oubliez pas de souscrire et de partager mes vidéos. Don't forget to subscribe and share my videos. Until then, stay safe. See you next time. Au revoir.